In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert today's date instantly right here in Google Sheets. So there are three simple, easy ways on how we can do this. The first one is with a keyboard shortcut, and that's going to be your Control or Command key if you're a Mac user, and your semicolon. So press those on your keyboard, and here we have it. You've quickly inserted that date on that cell. Our second method would be using the today function. So put in your equal sign, type in today, press enter. Here you have a preview of what that would look like. Press enter again, and there you have it. So with the today function, it quickly inserts the current date on your cell. And finally, we also have another function which is much shorter than our today function. We have the now function, which inserts your current date and time. If we press enter again, there you have it. Let me just adjust the size of that cell. So not only does it insert the current date, it also inserts the current time. So one more time, we have the keyboard shortcut of Control or Command semicolon. Next one is with your today function. If you type that, press enter twice, and there you have it. Also with our now function, your current date and time, press enter again, and there you have it. So those are the three simple ways that you can use to insert today's date here in Google Sheets. If you are in need of extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.